Would you just look at it? Got a hole in my pillow top grip. That kind of sucks. Oh, I'm just sitting here on the side of a gravel road, waiting for a phone call. Cars going by there on the highway. Not too far away. That's nice shade here. It's actually a beautiful day anyway, so I mean, you can see the breeze blowing. It is a beautiful day. It's about 82 degrees. It is nice out here. I just thought I'd get in here and talk for a little bit. I'm going to change that front tire. Look at that. You can see how it's cupping here. It's higher here than it is back here. So it's wearing. It's probably because I haven't been keeping up on the air pressure. I haven't actually checked it in a while. I need to check when I bet they're low. Because if you keep the air pressure good at 22 psi, even if you go off road, you can air it back up. You know, if you air down to 14 or something, you can air it back up. But on the highway, keep it at, yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, you can see it back there now. So I did have another one of these tires to go on too, like I put on the back. I changed the back. Put another stock one back on. I got a good deal on it. Same with the front, so I'll put the other stock one back on. Then I'll probably go with something different next time. I thought about trying out those Tusk dual sport tires. They seem pretty good. So nicely on my way home from work. And I'm waiting on a phone call because once I go down in Thomas Holler, it is gone. No signal down there. If I get to my house, well, them things just like they're fading. Really, hanging out. Man, that's the color it is. This is weird. But anyway, it is what it is. So, anyway, but if I get down there on the Wi-Fi, then I can have signal. But sure enough, I figured they'd call about the time I dropped off in the holler. Well, they didn't call. So hopefully y'all can hear me because I got my helmet on. They're probably not real loud. And there may be a little bit of a breeze blowing in the video. But on this little back road stand here. Killing time. So I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's enjoying their bike and enjoying the weather and doing lots of riding. I'm not doing lots of riding other than back and forth to work every day. But going on a Colorado trip too soon, and of course I'm not going to be taking the 250L because we're going to be camping in the back of the Gladiator with the Napier tent, and I don't want to haul the bike because then I can't have the tonneau cover on there to cover everything that I'm hauling, all my gear. So it makes it kind of difficult. And I could put the bike on the rack that I have that goes in the hitch on the back. But the problem with that is going off-road very much, it's going to probably drag sticking out the back.
Recording.
Well, forget it. I am just going to go home. I'm tired of waiting. But I'm on the Sena. The video you're seeing now is actually, hopefully it ain't got no bug on there. This is the Sena 10C EVO. The other one was just my iPhone. Yeah, I'm riding this road again, Kevin. Actually, I had just rode this road coming down here, killing time, so I didn't go down in the holler, and I stopped under that shade tree. I don't even think I need the shade. It's absolutely beautiful out here today. Super nice. Yeah, I seen this gal that skinned her arm up. Laid it over on fresh gravel. It will do it, I'm telling you. Eat your lunch. This stuff here is actually pretty good grip. It's gravel, but a lot of it's kicked off, and you can see these. You can see the rocks sticking through. It's actually pretty good grip. Problem is when you get over to the side and you get into this where all the gravel's kicked off, like right in here where I'm riding now, that's where it can get kind of squirrely. The biggest thing is when that happens is stay off that front brake, because if you slide the front wheel, you have no control. So if you get in the gravel, if your wheel is not turning, you're not turning. You're going to go straight. You need to be off the brake. Kind of like if you've ever drove on snow and you hit the brakes while turning, well, you just slide straight forward. And then when you let off of the brakes, your vehicle will go in the direction. Hopefully, if it's not too slick. But that's your best chance. Ease off the brakes. Don't be on them too hard, because that'll make you go down. A lot of people freak when they start sliding on gravel, so they hit the brakes. When they do, that went down, and that could have been what happened to her. She may have gotten loose gravel. It started getting squirrely, so she freaked out and locked the brakes up and made her go down. But she posted a picture on Facebook of her arm skin up, looked pretty red. I commented something. What did I tell her? Oh, she's going to have some pretty good battle scars. So man, it's nice. Gotta go home and find out something to cook for supper. Check out my Apple Watch if you can see it on there. Cracked that sucker, busted the whole side out of it out. Busted it wide open. I just got some E6000 glue in there to fill the gap, otherwise it's gonna get dirt and water down in it and it won't work. So oh well. The Apple Watch is kind of like one of those things. I ain't gonna spend the money on one if it quits. I mean, it's okay, but it's still just a watch. Yeah, you can receive your text messages and you can see the weather on them, but you got your phone on you all the time anyway. I mean, there's no way one of these things is worth $300 and up for one of these watches. It's just kind of a joke. My old Timex told the time pretty good, and if this thing quits, then that's just what I'll do. I'll go right back to the Timex. I'm dropping down the holler now, so that's when she'll try to call me. Actually, insurance people, not my wife. But anyway, I just added a little bit more to it. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Catch y'all in the next one. Right on.